No, this is from, get Riley, Gavin, listen. This is from, read it, what it says. Mimi, Beepaul, Sandy, Dave, and Rosie. Everybody together.
Hey Gav, I'll trade you that Lego car for that.
Oh my goodness. Are you serious?
See, that's why we saved the big one for last.
Can you look at Brett? Can you look at
I
Beepaul?
don't think anything can top us.
Is it a Lego bundle
Can you look at
too?
Beepaul, please?
It's a Lego bundle.
You like it?
So you,
Give me
Gavin,
Get him away from that.
Tell me how I like it.
you get the Lego movie video game in there.
That comes
Hey,
with
show,
it.
look at,
Open our presents.
We really get to open our presents for this and an Xbox.
Gav, sit your back, sit your back.
You get an Xbox. You get an Xbox.
Get an extra controller so you can play with your daddy.
Can you have an extra one?
And I hope this is
He's
Minecraft.
really excited.
For Xbox.
You can't wait either.
Knew it. I knew it.
He's just tired.
Are
You
you
know what?
excited?
Tyler wants that so bad. He said
not
the trade
yet.
just one.
Yeah.
What do you think? Is that awesome?
You can give this to him.
It's your remote.
That's one so you can play with Gavin.
Right.
What do you say, babe?
Thank you.
I think they get hugs.
You're welcome.
They deserve hugs.